Hello, I'm back to show you what's on my crafty desk right now. I'm going to be working in these journals for the Christmas season. This one is already up on the channel. I don't know if I'm going to remove this. This was actually made, I think, from a card. I have to look again, but it's funny how this one, not funny, but this was made. Anyway, I don't know if I'll remove this, but I'm going to play in this one. I'm going to finish it off and play in it this season. And I'm going to, this one's unfinished, but as you can see, I've been working on it. And then I said, well, let me show everybody what I've been working on, especially since I'm going to play in it this for the rest of the season. And I've also been making cards. I am such a slow card maker because I really don't know what I'm doing. And I've been making cards. So I just wanted to show everybody what was on my desk, the journals I'll be working in, playing in, gluing in, just having some fun. And this season, I really don't know if I'm going to keep him on the front, but we'll see. Like I said, everything's still not done. But anyway, alrighty, friends. So what's on your crafty desk? Let me know down below, and I will talk to you later. Thank you for stopping by.